Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV device. Well, jailbreak is a simple term that means install any app on Firestick without using App Store. It was used for Android devices as after doing a jailbreak, a user will be able to install apps download from web browser or other source. So if you stick with me for just few minutes more and I'm gonna show you how you can jailbreak your device. But before we start the video, please click on the subscribe button because if you subscribe the channel, it will motivate me to make more videos on Firestick or other streaming devices. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to hover to settings gear icon, and here slide down and click on My Fire TV. Again slide down and click on Developer Options. And here you need to turn on both of these options. So first one is ADB dipping and the second is apps from unknown source. Press remote select button. When you turn on apps from unknown source, this warning message appear on your screen. So here click on turn on, and as you can see both of these options are turned on. That means this Fire Stick has been jailbreaked. Now go back home screen. Download any application on your now now I will show you if you want to download any third-party application on your Fire TV device. Then first of all you need to download the downloader application on this Fire TV device. Now I will show you if you want to download any application. Now I will show you if you want to sideload any application on your Fire TV device. Then first of all you need to install downloader application on your Fire TV device. So just hover to find it, slide down and click on the search icon. Now type your downloader. So when you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So here slide down and click on the download. So when you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. Now slide down and click on downloader. And here click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, click on the download button by pressing remote select button, and as you can see this application start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So as you can see downloader application has been installed. Now press remote select button to open downloader app. When you launch downloader application first time, this dialog box appear on your screen. Now click on allow and click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. So this is the home screen of downloader application. Here is so this is the home screen of downloader application. Here you can see a simple box and some menus on the left side. So just hover to small box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now here type app URL which app you want to download. So for example I'm downloading here IPTV Smarter Pro. So I'm typing IPTV Smarter Pro URL. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button, and it will connecting to server. After that app start downloading. So as you can see, SimOrder application has been downloaded. Now click on install button. So as you can see, this application has been installed. Now click on done button. Now click on delete button because this is backup file. We don't need this backup file anymore. So I'm deleting this file. Again, after installing the application, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here, again hold remote home button for few seconds and this menu appear on your screen. Now here, hover to apps and press remote select button. So you can use this method to jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV device and sideload applications. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.